Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Francis and I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, home decor, and parenthood. So today I'll be sharing with you a very special unboxing. This is a Prada shoe unboxing. I'm really excited to share with you what I got, and I'm really actually surprised that I did recently get these pair of shoes, or should I say sandals. I've always been kind of weird about these type of style of sandal, but I'm excited because when I tried them on, I actually was sold on them. I was just like, wow, I actually do love these sandals. They're super comfortable and they're super fashionable. They're trending for spring right now, and so I'm just really excited to share with you which ones I got. These are actually gifted to me by my husband for Mother's Day. This will be my first Mother's Day this year because we do now have a 4-month-old baby girl. Her name is Zara, and so thank you so much, Zara and my husband, for these shoes. Yes, I got to open them before Mother's Day, but I'm just so excited to share with you because I know that I'll be putting these sandals to use. So we recently took a family trip to Hawaii, and in Hawaii, we usually try to buy something at high-end stores, like the luxury stores, because of the sales tax, and some stores do have discounted pricing or Hawaii pricing for people from the mainland. And so I did go into Christian Louboutin. As you know, if you have been following me or subscribed to me for a while, I am a shoe addict, and I do have quite a collection of Christian Louboutin heels. So I did go into the Louboutin boutique, and there were these wedges, these strappy wedges that I wanted, and I'll show here on the screen. I did put them on hold, but then that's when I was like, no, I really want to get my first Dior purse. So that's the Dior purse that I got in my previous videos that I just recently posted. So I did not end up getting these wedge sandals from Louboutin. However, when we came back from our trip, I was already thinking, what do I want for Mother's Day? And yes, I did spot these sandals. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do this Prada unboxing and show you which sandals I did get. So here is the Prada Shoe Box. It's baby blue, which I love. It's part of their, it's their classic look. They do have like coffee table books or fashion books that are in this color, and I'll link them down below. I actually, unfortunately, don't have one of those coffee table books, but I feel like I should be getting one just to match my aesthetic and to, you know, go ahead with my whole Prada collection. So to start, I actually purchased these from a Nordstrom department store. I did not get them straight from the Prada boutique, and for me, I'm not really particular in that. If I see a pair of shoes or purses or whatever that I like, then I'll buy it where I'm at and where it's available. And so these are the Napa Sport Sandal from Prada in the color Nero. You can't see here, but I don't know if it's too far, but that's how it looks, and has the Nordstrom return. And these came out to $920, and after tax it was about $100. After tax is about $1,000. So let's do this unboxing together. Okay. So even the tissue is baby blue. I haven't worn these yet. And as a new mom, I always mention this, I'm going more for comfort, but also being classic and stylish at the same time. So here they are. So these come with 2 dust bags. These are like in sateen or silk. So it has like a baby blue stitching here, and there's just another one for each sandal, and with a drawstring tie at the top. And so here they are, the Prada Napa leather sandals. These are the sporty sandals that are trending currently for spring, and I absolutely love them. I love how muted the Prada logo is here. It's not like in the silver or gold. I did want the Dior ones, but they're a couple hundred more than this Prada one. But since I do already have a Prada bag and a Prada diaper bag, I figured might as well just match it, and it's in all black except for the gold logo here on the sole part, the insole, and then it looks like a lug boot on the bottom, but you can see it's like a chunky heel, and this is leather colored Nero, and then it's Velcro here on the back straps. It's adjustable, and then here on the front, these are not Velcro, but they do stretch out. I don't know if you can see that I'm pulling it here. They do stretch out to your foot. The front one's not adjustable, but honestly, what it's adjusted to right now, it fits me perfectly. These are true to size. I am a size 6 or 36 in like designer shoes, and so this is a size 36, made in Italy. I don't know, I never thought I would purchase a pair of shoes like this, but I just couldn't pass these up. I did want them in the color white, but I felt like black would be more universal for me. And you know, I do tend to wear, I mean, you could wear this with anything, like shorts, pants, jeans, dresses even, and probably with socks, but I'm not really into that trend. We'll see. I mean, I didn't even know if I was gonna buy these, but I did anyway. But yeah, these are the Prada sporty sandals that I just got for Mother's Day, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to style these for you and just show you how I would wear them on an everyday basis, because I know that I'll get a lot of use out of these, just because I'm still always on the go with the baby and with my husband. The Louboutin wedges that I wanted, yes, they're wedges and they're comfortable, but I don't feel like I can run errands in them. Those are kind of like a, you know, a dressier look for running errands or for the spring and summertime. But yes, these are super comfortable, and I feel like they're worth the price, obviously because it's Prada. But I can't wait to share with you my review on how I like these and how I will style them. So that is it for this Prada unboxing, and I really hope that you enjoyed what I got and what I shared with you today. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you think about these sandals? Are you into this trend, these sporty sandals, or are you more into the classic flip-flops or wedges for spring and summertime? If you like what you see, make sure you give us a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.